This is just me here opening this Vingli pool cover roller. As you can see, I've got a cover on there covered with leaves. My kids and I have tried to devise all different options for folding that up. We're really trying to get the water temperature up, and if I don't cover the pool, the temperature will drop into the 60s, I'm pretty sure, because we got the water temperature up to about 76 by leaving the cover on. Most of the time, I went away on vacation and left the cover on, and it had gone up to 76, but because I neglected the water, it was all green. So I really need an easy way to take this cover off and put it on, and I really didn't want to have more junk like a roller sitting there, but I figured out that this could probably straddle the pool in the deep end over there, and that way it wouldn't really take up too much room, and with the wheels maybe we'll be able to wheel this out of the way. Now, I also put a lot of, I believe, thought into deciding which one of these to get. So the one that they've got advertised on Amazon for like about 200 bucks has a yellow wheel, a slightly different description on it, but it's the same brand, Vingli. This one was like closer to 170, 75, maybe 180 or something, but I didn't want the extra color, so I went with this one. I saw some of them you have to assemble the wheel. That wouldn't have bothered me. But the real reason that I went with this one is because I saw that it was advertised as having 7-foot wide sections of the poles. You see, this box is very long. Some of them look like they assemble a lot of smaller poles, and I thought that would probably contribute to the flex in the middle. But also, this one has welded, a welded T here instead of a plastic brace. So that's why I chose this one, and I do not intend to return this whatsoever, so I'm just ripping the packaging material here to try and, let's see if we could show the welded base. So that there, instead of a pipe that goes through and this sitting down into a piece of plastic, that's why I chose this one. Now, this is what your unboxing video, right? So we got straps, the clips. Also, I didn't want to have yellow. I think this will blend a little bit better with the white. So we got some hardware here, and I'm gonna need to get some tools for sure, but I'm curious what's in this box. Everything else seems to make a little bit of sense, but what is in here? Right. Let's see. Oh, the wheels, right. Also, I think some of them had yellow wheels. I didn't want yellow wheels. I'd got enough color, so the gray seems to suit me a little bit better. And then let's take a look at the long poles. I don't know if there's going to be anything in this box besides the long poles, but it appears there's only 2 in here. But I guess what's going on is one of them has the smaller pipe inside it. So I'm going to guess that, this top one has the smaller, I guess, center pipe inside it. Not going to probably be too visible there on the video, but let's go ahead and slide these out. So it does look like pretty thin aluminum, but aluminum's not very bendy, so I'm guessing that this is going to be okay. Let's show this one more time. All right, so There, that one's got 2 and that one's got 1. So these are our 3 pipes. Oop. As I said, it's 7 feet tall, much taller than me, not quite 6 feet. And hopefully I didn't bang up the end too much there. But I will probably not bore anybody with the assembly of this and take another video once it's built. This is about as long as my videos get. I would say don't like and don't subscribe because my videos are pretty boring and amateur. But hey, I don't know. I guess if I get a bunch of subscribers, maybe someday I'll be a YouTube star.